In today's culture, we face pressure on every side to compromise on the things we know to be true, but that is not the way we are called to live. That is why we want to invite you to watch Rick Renner's series, The Tragic Mistake of Moral Surrender. Whether you're being tempted to surrender your morals for cultural or familial acceptance, or you're afraid of falling into the trap of judging those with different values from your own, this series will encourage you to keep fighting the good fight.
Believers were already beginning to stray from their faith, and people were heartbroken. They saw their kids, their spouses, their grandkids, their friends. They got saved, they knew the truth, but because of societal pressure, they began to veer from what they really knew to be right. And that's what's happening today. Because of the onslaught of media, social media. Think about it, friends. If you're my age, you didn't grow up with all of that pressure. But young people today are growing up with pressures that we didn't have because of the courts, because of education, because of movies. It is bombarding them from every direction that they are either to abandon their faith or modify their faith. And as a result, people now have a faith that doesn't even match the faith of the Bible. They're endorsing all kinds of things that are not similar to the Bible at all, including all kinds of strange sexual beliefs. My friends, it's nonsense. It's nonsense. And you see, just for me saying it's nonsense, the culture today says I should be canceled. But my friends, we are called to be uncompromising and to abide with the truth. But this wandering was even happening when James wrote his epistle. And when you come to James 5:19, he says, "Brethren, if any of you do err from the truth and one convert him." Well, let's begin with the word brethren. The word brethren is the Greek word adelphos, from the word delphos, which describes the womb of a woman. But when you put an A on the front, it describes two or more born from the same womb. And it's such an appropriate word to describe all of us because we are all mutually born out of the womb of God. We've been born again, born of God, and therefore we are related. It was a Greek term which described two or more that were very endearing to each other, and later it was used in a militaristic sense to depict brothers in battle, hence camaraderie or brotherhood. Now he's speaking to people that are dealing with all kinds of fights, all kinds of struggles, and he calls them brethren.
We live in a day when many people are modifying their beliefs and tossing their faith to the wind to accommodate their family and friends. Even though these believers once stood firm on the Word of God, they are surrendering to the woke atmosphere in society today to stay in relationship with loved ones who have changed what they believe. What should you do if your spouse, children, or friends have changed their beliefs and you now feel distance between yourself and them? In this 5-part series, The Tragic Mistake of Moral Surrender, Rick Renner covers the tragic mistake of moral surrender for opportunity, moral surrender and embracing inclusivity and tolerance, moral surrender for society's acceptance, God's promise to people who help wandering saints get back on track.
This series will encourage you to keep fighting the good fight. Go to Renner.org to watch this teaching.